how to add dark mode to the lock screen shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now on your lock screen, or from the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap on the left hand side panel here. Then tap on the left or the right shortcut. From the Actions panel, we go down and here select Dark Mode. Then tap on Done, and then go back to your home screen or press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And here you can turn on or turn off dark mode by simply swiping on the shortcut. And that's it. That's how you can switch it on or off. Now if you're on the lock screen, you can touch and hold, then tap on the left or the right shortcut, and then choose dark mode, and then tap on Done. And that's it. So you can do it directly from the lock screen or from the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.